My name is Emma Stone. I run Casa Ventosa Equine Rescue here in Cheyenne, Wyoming, and I am the writer for Cheyenne Living Magazine. I love Wyoming and Cheyenne because of the wide open spaces, the feeling that there's, nature abounds out here. And the people are so friendly and welcoming, and being a part of community and making something bigger than yourself is really wonderful. I started a 501c3 equine rescue. We're the only one in Laramie County, and have had tremendous community support since we started 2 years ago. And we have a great surplus of volunteers who we love and have come to think of like family, and enjoy giving back to the community any way that we can. My husband's a volunteer firefighter. Our kids go to school here, and we love to call it home.